Hello Internet, I'm Matt Haas. This is Awesome Wood Things. I made this inexpensive microphone stand out of scrap materials in my shop. It's for a friend who bought the exact same microphone I did. Stick around, I'll show you how I made it.
I start off by ripping down some plywood for the neck of the mic stand. Use a compass to get a rounded corner. Cut those down. I'll need several pieces. And then I find the center and drill out some holes. I go over to the scroll saw and I make a channel in the center of these small pieces. Isn't that scroll saw awesome? See how I made that in the card above. Now this will hold the Heil PR-40 microphone, inarguably the best microphone on the planet. I put a new sanding disc on this disc sander, and oh my goodness, is it awesome. This tool is no joke. I love it. Then I put some wood glue down for strength, and to quickly clamp it, I'm using instantly bonded CA glue. About 4 seconds is all it takes. It's not going anywhere. And then that wood glue will set up, and that will not budge ever. This was a piece of scrap I had from the computer desk that I built. You can use this card to see the computer desk build process. It'll work just fine. And now I do a quick assembly just to test everything to see if it will work. Yes, it's looking good. Wood glue joins these pieces together. Now I used the wrong size screw. You'll see me swap that out later. And I round over the corners because I'm not a madman. Some flat black paint does the trick. Can't go wrong with flat black. And then I put some rubber feet on the bottom. And this Forstner bit is just large enough to capture those rubber feet. They sink down in there and they never move. And that helps with the sound too. So here I'm putting the correct size bolt in. And then I just take the burrs off the top and make sure my nut works. And there we go. An inexpensive yet very functional microphone stand made out of scrap wood for a very nice microphone. Hope you like it. Thanks, Internet.